In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Zoho People right after you sign up for your account. We'll go through the initial setup screen together so you know exactly what to enter, why it matters, and how to avoid common mistakes. By the end, you'll have your Zoho People portal created and ready for further configuration. Once you've completed the sign up process and you log in for the first time, Zoho People will prompt you to set up your account. This is a one-time configuration that creates the foundation for your HR portal, so it's worth taking a moment to get things right. You'll see a setup page asking for some basic company information. Start by entering your company name. Type in the full official name you want to appear across your Zoho People system. This name is what your employees will see on their dashboards, so choose the version that you use in day-to-day business, whether that's your legal name or your common brand name. As you type your company name, you'll notice that the portal name field is automatically filled in for you. Zoho People takes what you enter for your company name and converts it into a portal address, usually by removing spaces and special characters. This portal name becomes part of the unique web address your team will use to access Zoho People. Take a moment to review the portal name. Even though it's generated automatically, you can usually adjust it if you prefer a slightly different version. For example, some companies shorten the name or remove extra words to keep the URL simple and easy to remember. Keep it professional, avoid personal information, and think about something you'll be comfortable sharing with your team. Next, choose your industry from the available options. This helps Zoho better understand the type of organization you run. While it doesn't lock you into any specific features, it can influence recommended settings and make future customizations more relevant to your business. Select the category that best matches what your company does, even if it's a broad match rather than a perfect one. You'll also be asked for a phone number. Enter a valid business contact number that you're comfortable using for account-related communication. This is typically used for verification, support, or important account notifications. If you have a general office number or a shared line for administration, that's usually a good choice here. Then, specify your employee count. This doesn't have to be exact down to the last person, but it should be a realistic estimate of how many employees will eventually be managed through Zoho People. The employee count can help Zoho tailor certain default settings and may impact how you think about roles, permissions, and workflows later on. Once you've filled in your company name, confirmed or adjusted the portal name, selected your industry, entered your phone number, and set your employee count, review everything on the screen. Make sure the spelling is correct, the portal name looks right, and the details match how you want your account to appear. When you're satisfied, go ahead and save the setup. Zoho People will create your portal using the information you provided and take you into the main dashboard. From here, you'll be ready to start adding employees, configuring leave policies, and customizing the system to match your HR processes.